finally got it, man. I finally got my hands on this bait. I've been liking Instagram pictures for about a year straight. So let's get straight into it. All right, so what this is, it's the Donut Shad. Get this box out of the way. I'm gonna get up close and personal for you guys. That thing is glazed, man. So this is the back view, the front view. So just an all-around cool bait. So let's get straight into it. So one of the cool things about a Donut Shad is actually hand carved by Brent himself. So it's cool to have a bait that you know somebody put their time together, sit down and carve the bait for you. I mean, it is pretty insane. And the paint, from what I hear, is super durable. This is the broken crappie pattern. So a pretty unique one. You don't see this one every day, but if you like it, I'm sure if you hit up Brent, hopefully he can hook something up for you. Now, another aspect about this bait is that all the hardware, all your connecting pieces inside are stainless steel. So it should be fairly durable. There you go. And as far as the hooks, I know a lot of people have questions about those. Those are actually mustard hooks, size 1, in the 3 times as strong series. So just an all-around cool bait. I would tell you guys what kind of wood it's made out of, but that is a secret. I couldn't get that from Brent, the man himself. So I got a little video for you guys just to break down a comparison point on truly like how big this bait is compared to other baits. Because many times you can't get a true picture or ideal of how big a bait is until it's compared to something else. So let's get straight into that, guys, and let's go in the water and test this bad boy out. Alright guys, so right now we have 2 baits out of Donut, and then I also have the Trail. I got both of these baits to do a true comparison, because many times you see a bait online and you can actually tell how big it is. So let's put them back side up so you guys can see a difference. So this is the Trail right here. This is the Donut right here. You can tell a big difference in the size of the tail of the bait and also in the front of the bait. So it's a lot wider of a bait. Let's flip it over one more time. There you go. So both good sized baits. The Donut is just a little bit wider, but at the same token, not too big that you're gonna have to worry about bass not being able to not eat it. So good sized bait. And one more thing, just to show you guys, we're gonna actually measure how wide this bait is across. Let's wrap it all around. So this bait comes off almost at 6 inches. That's pretty crazy because the bait is around 7 inches itself all the way across. So good size bait, and I know this thing will definitely get bit by some giants.
We are the trail.
All right, so we got the Donut all rigged up. Let's see what it does. Oh, that fish is falling. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's 2 big bass. Holy cow, guys. It's 5 and a 6. Just chasing it. Trying to get this cast to the perfect spot, guys. To where this fish may be at. I think I'm about there. Oh, got him. Oh, got him, guys. I saw that fish. Him and another fish out there chilling. Did the perfect cast. Got him right here. I'll take it. First one on the Donut Shad. Alright, so hopefully that gave you guys some insight. So just a couple last things about this bait. It comes in at $99.99. I know that seems like a lot, but you are paying for a custom bait that's hand carved, and you cannot go into the store and just pick it up. And just be sure, if you do order it, just to be patient, because it takes a little bit of time to carve it. So for me, it took about a month. And big shout outs to the homie Edwin who told me about the Donut Shad. So tight lines to you guys, and we'll catch you in another video.